Julie. And then we get a B. You can play the B at the 7th fret if you want to like do a power chord. And then you can keep the same shape as you go down to the G at the 3rd fret. I find that quite a slide, though. I prefer to play the power chord on the A, D, and G string. And then hit the G. You can keep the same finger shape. Just kind of angle your fingers and it kind of naturally falls there. Anyways, you can do that however you want. And then towards the end, and then towards the end it goes to F, power chord. I thought we could go out and play a game. So that's F, 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 E minor, E minor. And then it starts over. That's the verse. And then another part of the song is G to F sharp minor. Don't be scared. That's that little bridge part. And you hear, like, if we play all the chords we played so far. They're so close together. That's why they sound so funky. Okay, and there is a video of them playing this that was maybe shot like not too long ago. That's basically he's playing something like that. D string, 12th fret. A string at the 10th fret. Then we play D string at the 11th fret. A string at the 9th fret. Play it all on the D string. 9, 11, 7. Play that on the D string. By the way, I think the song is in the key of D. D, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, 9th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret. Those are all the notes you can play. Cool song from Julie. Thanks for that request. Bye.